information. A word is a combination of sounds that represent something. It is this significance which make word distinct from just any kind of vocal utterance. Words are made up of sounds and yet they transmit something more significant. They transmit a message. The role of language. In the human case, for understanding the natural world, the ability to name and classify objects found to nature was seen as a first step in knowing. Thus, the scientific search for truth early on recognized the usefulness of language and the ability in give to make sense of nature. For the ancient Greek, language was an object worthy of administration. Words have power. This kind of knowing from the Greek fascination and wonder at the power of word and language. How is it possible that one's idea can exist in his, her mind and another? How is it possible that human being can communicate through word and thus form a community? Thus the power of the communicated form come from the speaker, who is the thinker and the source, or from the listener, who is the recipient of the communication. However you answer this, it is clear that thinking in terms of a common system being generated by the speaker and received by listener is useful in the pursuit of knowledge. Science, from the Latin word, is one kind of knowledge the Greek wanted to understand.
Psychological word, the ability to think and computedly comprehends nature and the principles it follows, eventually leads to science. Events in ancient times. Western thinkers hundreds of forces of nature after understanding them better. Lost in equality is the first ceiling leaves that worked through the power of the wine. When similarly it was never recorded. Then the early people realized the fire has its own power and energy. Not all early invention are lost in time. However, hero of Alexandria, for instance, were invents a primitive steam engine in the 1st century, Divines 1990. Kuan daw. Kining ang unang kanang pangdagat nga kuan daw, pangdagat nga tubig, pangdagat nga sasakyan ng naimbento kay kuan daw kanang pamaagi sa kuan sa hangin. Kuan ba nang mudagan sa tungod sa hangin o sa kalayo. Pamaagi sa kalayo. Una siya dayon niabot ng panahon nga nakaimbento si Alexandria o engine atong 1st century 1990. Og mao ra to, salamat.
Technological world. The ability to think conceptually, comprehend nature and the principle it follows eventually leads to science. Even in ancient times, Western thinkers hurried to the force of nature after understanding them better. Lost in antiquity is the first sailing vessel that worked through the power of the wind. Similarly, it was never recorded when the early people realized that fire has its own power of energy. Not all early inventions are lost in time. However, Hero of Alexandria, for instance, would invent a primitive steam engine in the first century. Davis, 1990.
The printing press and beyond. The power of the ages of our idea would be witnessed in the surrounding centuries of development. In the West of the ancient functional language give rise to the prevention of the word of the earlier people at the same time. When we the West weakened itself due in the influencing warfare, the conflict throughout this dark period of the importance of the word, the power to be informed as a human being, lead to the transmission of ideas to God copying from this manual action. Would arise of the technology that would transform cultures and printing press. The development of the printing press with the may be regarded as the beginning of the World Wide Web, a more modern example of technology feeding upon itself. It is the 20th century tour de force in the World Wide Web. Through the internet, certain earnestly invited it on a way of the addressing, data processing, and the information sharing. Needs among science terms for a European organization for nuclear research CERN. Atom smasher produce a high amount of scientific data every second. It is 1,000 required better data analyzer to work on the gathered information in a coordination with each other. Will the telegraph and telephone has allowed and transmission of information to